Hey everyone, I'm going to show you my project called Crop Disease Detector, an AI-powered web app that can tell whether a crop leaf is healthy or diseased, just by uploading an image or using your webcam. Here's the web app. First, I'll upload a diseased leaf image, and it predicts diseased correctly. Now, I'll upload a picture of a healthy leaf, and as you can see, the model predicts healthy with high confidence. For this project, I used Google Teachable Machine to train the model without writing much code, TensorFlow.js to run the model inside the browser, and a simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript frontend to build the web app. To build this project, I collected images of healthy and diseased crop leaves from the Plant Village dataset on Kaggle. I trained the model using Teachable Machine. Here I click Get Started, choose Image Project, and then select Standard Image Model. By default, it gives us two classes, Class 1 and Class 2. I'll rename them to something meaningful. For this project, I'm using Healthy Leaf, Diseased Leaf. Now we need to upload images for each class. I collected my dataset from the Plant Village dataset on Kaggle, which contains thousands of crop leaf images. For the healthy class, I'll upload pictures of normal leaves. And for the diseased class, I'll upload pictures of leaves with infections. It's best to have at least 50 to 100 images per class for good accuracy. Also, try to keep the number of images balanced between classes. Once the images are uploaded, I'll click Train Model. This will take some time. Be patient and do not switch tabs while model is being trained. Finally, we need to export the trained model so we can use it in our web app. I'll click Export Model in the top right corner. Here, I select TensorFlow.js since I want the model to run directly in the browser. I downloaded the model and placed it in my project's model folder, where you get files like model.json, metadata.json, and .bin. Finally, I integrated the model into this simple web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.